Alright, welcome to yet another tutorial. So we are still doing practice questions on trigonometry, and we have this question here. They're saying the diagram shows a triangular piece of land ABC, and of course this is a G.C.E question, so make sure that you understand just how to do this, and if you don't understand the formulas, make sure that you watch the first video. Now look at this, guys. In the first video, in the second video, we did a question which didn't have any angle inside. And we mentioned that whenever you have been given that type of a triangle, just go direct to the cosine rule. Now look at this. The angle for B is this angle, but the distance for B is this one. The angle for A is this one, but the distance for A is this one. The angle for C is this one, but certainly the distance for C is this one. So we can write those figures down there. So we can say that our B is 2.8 kilometers. We can say that our A is 2.5 kilometers and our C is 1.0 kilometers. Now look at this. We want to come up with the formulas. Which formula are we going to use amongst A, B, and C? Very simple, guys, because the angle we are looking for is this particular angle. So B wants the land. So it means that we're going to start with B. So look at this. Okay, so let me just try to change the color. I'll use white anyway. So this is going to be B squared is going to equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2. Then I repeat what I have, that is A, then C, then cosine everything, which is the angle. Now, I have the figure B, which happens to be 2.8. A is 2.5. C is 1.0. Then I'll say minus 2. Then I can put just what I have there directly. Now look at this. We are looking for the angle B. So what we're going to do, we can just punch everything direct. This is 2.8 power 2. We are getting 7.84 equal to, this is 2.5 power 2. We are getting, this is 6.25 plus, okay, so this is 1 minus, now look at this, we punch everything from here up to here. Okay, so we are going to get 2 multiplied by, this is just 2.5. Notice that we're getting a 5 cosine B. All right, so this is going to be 7.84 equal to, now 6.25 plus 1 is 7.25. So we have 7.25 minus 5 cosine B. So we can get this, we can subtract from 7.25. Okay, so what we have just done there, we have just taken this figure to its like term. So 7.84 minus 7.25. We are getting 0.59 equal to, this is 5 cosine B. So from here, we can say over 5 over 5. So cosine B is going to equal 6 divided by 5. We're going to have negative 0.118. All right, so from here what we do, we say B degrees to show the angle is going to equal cosine the inverse of 0.118. So the angle is going to be, this is negative 0.118. The angle is going to be 96.7. Let me just say 0.8. Okay, that is the angle. So I can therefore say A BC is going to equal 96.8 degrees. That's just how we calculate that. Now we can do B, which is the Roman numeral 2. They're saying we calculate the area. Well, it's just the same concept. Area is equal to 1 over 2. So we are using this. Let me just change the color. Look at this. We are using this angle. So certainly we can use this side and this side, okay, for the distances. So that means that here we are going to put C multiplied by A, whichever order, one and the same. This is going to be sine B. Alright, so we say 1 over 2. What is C? C, of course, is 1. What is A? A is 2.5. Then sine the angle, which is 96.8. So what I do, I just put it like this. It's just one and the same thing, so that you just punch everything at the same time. What are you going to get? 0.5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2.5. Okay. Then this is going to be sine 96.8. Okay, sine 96.8. Okay, so we are getting the area of 1.24 kilometers. 1.24 kilometers. Okay, that's the area. The shortest distance, we won't waste time because we now know. Okay, so let me just say shortest distance shortest distance equals to, just go direct, just say 2 area over base. That's all. So which one is the base this time around? The area has been given, which is 1.24. Look at this, guys. I mentioned in my second tutorial that the base is very easy to know. It is just these 2 letters. So AC is the base, which is 2.8. So let's do our calculations. 2, and this is 124. Then divide by 2.8, and we're getting 0.89. 0.89 kilometers is our shortest distance. Guys, if you find this video interesting, helping, consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and also sharing to others. Thank you so much.